everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most unique experiences here in El Nido, Palawan, the famous Canopy Walk. If you're looking for a safe and scenic adventure, this one's for you. The Canopy Walk is located in Barangay Buena Suerte, just a short walk from the town center. Super easy to find and perfect for anyone, even if you're not a hardcore hiker. Before we start, safety is a priority. You'll be provided with a helmet and a full-body harness. A trained guide will walk with you every step of the way. The entrance fee is around 430 to 730 pesos, and that includes all your safety gear and a guided walk. It's a quick trip that's absolutely worth every peso.
Naka-earnest na tayo. So, binayad natin ito is 450. Ayan. So, dalawang klase ito. Yung ano dito. Yung Canopy Walk saka Dreamcatcher. So, pag combine mo 730 combo. Dalawang ano na yun. Aakiting. So, ito guys. Canopy Walk. Ito yung 415 na Canopy Walk na Dreamcatcher. Ito naman yung isa. So 450. Pero pag combo na 730. Ay kami na kasama.
Okay, thanks very much. Appreciate it.
So nakikita niyo yung taas na yan.
I will do.
Baka siyang kami after. Good luck! Okay. Alis na kami. Yeah! Akit tayo.
And here it is, the main attraction. Walking across this hanging bridge gives you an amazing view of El Nido's limestone cliffs,
Careful!
lush greenery, and if you're lucky, the sea in the distance.
Ooh.
It's a little nerve-wracking, but totally worth it.
Look. Swing! Swing! Ooh. Ang bridge te, sakay lang. Wow. Hiking. So guys, 10 minutes to 15 minutes ang ano dito sa canopy walk. Pero pag combine mo, more 41 minutes pag dalawang klase ang tuwan yung combine. Hingal na ako. Ganda. Alright. Malakas pa tuhod natin. Look. Okay. Epa. Mukhang may dumugo na dito. O, pintura lang. Kita natin yung dagat oh.
There are several photo spots along the way, especially at the view deck, where you'll see the iconic karst formations that make El Nido so famous. Definitely Instagram worthy. Honestly, I didn't expect the view to be this stunning. It's peaceful, refreshing, and it really makes you appreciate the beauty of nature. So if you're visiting El Nido and want a quick, safe, and scenic adventure, the Canopy Walk is a must-try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems in the Philippines. See you on the next one.